Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make hamburger which made of hemp seed and tree protein. It's going to be easy recipe. I promise you will like this hamburger very much, just like I do. So let's do it. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use in hamburger. So I have here 100 gram of hemp seed and 200 gram of pea protein, 100 gram of chopped paneer or cheese, um, 50 gram of baby green peas, 30 gram of chopped carrot, and here I got ground black pepper, 200 ml of hot water. Here we have chia seed flour. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk. I will use 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, pink salt. And here come the macadamia oil. I use 3 tablespoons of that. And bicarb soda 1 teaspoon, which has to be aluminum free. And here's coriander leaves and rosemary. I love these spices, so I'm going to put one half teaspoon each, but if you don't like them, you don't need to add them. And then I'm going to use egg replacer because today is going to be a vegetarian hamburger, but if you eat eggs, you can use 1 egg. Before we mix everything up, we're going to pan fry the hemp seed first to bring out the aroma from the hemp seed. Just pour that on the hot pan, and we'll just make sure that they're not burned. So we'll keep stirring. So that bring up aromas a little bit. Now I'm going to turn that flame off and then let it cool down. Now I'm going to mix the ingredient together, but I'm going to put on some gloves because it's hygienic. Now we'll get the peas protein 200 gram into the big bowl. Now I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda, aluminum free. So it needs to be aluminum free so that it's healthy. Now I'll add 1 tablespoon of chia seed flour into the bowl. Chia seed flour is known to be having a very high protein too and high fiber, so it's good to add that into our cooking. So next I'm going to add a teaspoon of psyllium husk. Psyllium husk has high fiber and also good for digestive health. Now I'm going to mix them lightly in the bowl. Just mix them well together, so when we mix that with the water, they don't become a lump. Next step will be adding the hemp seed that I stir fried and leave to cool down. Just pour that into the bowl. And then I'm just going to mix that up again. So today I'm making the vegetarian burger, so I'm using egg replacer instead of egg. So 30 ml of water mixed with 1 tablespoon of egg replacer. That's 1 tablespoon, and we'll mix that well with water. This is warm water that I just got from that 200 ml I mentioned at the beginning. Pour that in. And then I'm going to get macadamia nuts oil. So I will use 3 tablespoons of macadamia oils in the dough. This will give a very smooth taste to the burger. I just love macadamia oil because it's so tasty. It brings a lot of flavor to food. And now I'm going to add a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Himalayan salt is full of minerals and is compulsory for keto diet. Then half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. If you like spicier, you can add 1 teaspoon. And then we're going to add hot water. We're just going to add just half because we don't want our dough to be soggy, just to make sure that it's not soggy. Once it's soggy, it's hard to fix because keep adding things into the dough and then it's out of proportion. So add water slowly and see how that goes. So yeah, it looks like we're gonna need more water because it's a bit dry. I'm going to add the rest of the water in the bowl and then continue mixing with my hand. So have to mix that well, mix properly before we add other ingredients in. So now I'm going to grab the chopped up paneer or chopped up cheese, pour that in, and we'll give it a slightly mix. And then baby green peas. And then chopped carrots. Yep, let's mix that well. Now, because I love coriander and rosemary, I'm going to put these 2 spices into the burger. And if you don't like them, you don't have to put them. Yeah, we got the mix and everything's all in. It seems the dough is very consistent. We can form a ball to make burger. What I'm going to do, I'll use tin for to form the burger in a round shape. So what I do, I just fill the tin with this dough and keep pressing as firm as I can. And meanwhile, I'm just going to on this pancake maker. I found this very handy to use pancake maker, and by the time we finish with this burger, then the machine will turn green and then it's ready to go in there. So nice and firm and round. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to push through the bottom, and here we get a firm hamburger that uncooked. We're going to make another one, and then when the machine, the pancake maker is green, then we're going to pop these two into that to cook. Now the pancake maker is green, the light screen, I'm just going to open that up, and then we'll add some more macadamia oil into there. So this will help to, make it crisp. Put the hamburger inside, one each side, and I'm going to close that up and leave it to cook. Once the green light gone off, we're going to check whether the burger is cooked properly. So here they are, they're golden, but I think they need to be cooked a little bit longer. So I'm going to close that up and let cook for a little bit longer. Now let's see, now they are really gold and crisp and smell really good. So I'll just get a fork and we'll see. Wow, this is golden and it smells really good. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put that on my plate with my salad. I got capsicum cut up and got lettuce. Put on the lettuce and capsicum. I'm going to actually turn this up and then put the sauce in there. Once you turn that up, the sauce, it holds the sauce very well. And I'm going to add more chilies, a lot more chilies in there because I love chili. I love hot food. And we'll put another piece of hamburger on the top, and there, voila, looks yummy. And here's our extra salad. It's always good to have more salad. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy my dinner, and I hope you will enjoy yours. If you like my cooking and my channel, please subscribe and comment. Thank you.